morning. I'm glad to see you. Sit down, please. Today we have an unusual lesson. You have been working hard, preparing for English exam, and now we have a rehearsal exam. Here you can see exam papers. Come up and choose one of these. Are you upset or happy? English exam contains of 3 parts. The first task is reading and answering reading comprehension questions. The second is listening and listening, answering comprehension questions. And the last task is discussion about the proposed theme. Katya, what card number have you got?
1.
Okay. Take your seat here. The first task for you is a discussion on the proposed theme. Your theme is speaking about Belarus. Dasha, what card number have you got?
4.
4. The task is reading. You'll have 20 minutes to read this text and answering these questions. Okay? And Christina, what
10.
number have you got? 10. Okay, take your seat here. You'll have 10 minutes to listen to the text. You will listen twice and then answer these questions. Okay? Put on your headphones. Katya, let's talk about Belarus. What do you know about the country?
The Republic of Belarus is situated in Eastern Europe. It borders on Russia, Ukraine, Poland, Lithuania and Latvia. It has an area 207,000 square kilometers and a population of about 10 million people. The capital of the country is Minsk, with a population of about 2 million people. The largest cities in Belarus are Brest, Vitebsk, Mogilev, Grodno, Gomel. There are about 20,000 rivers and streams in Belarus. The longest rivers are the Berezina, the Neva, the Soch, the Dnieper, the Pripyat, the Western Dwina. There are about 11,000 lakes in Belarus. The largest is Lake Narch. There are several national parks in Belarus, such as Belaruskaya Pusha, Braslavsky and Perchansky National Park, and others. Today, Belarusian industry produce tractors, big lorries, T-sets, computer, and textiles. Agricultural specialize in milk and meat production. I like my country very much.
Okay, thank you. Do you know any places that belong to our cultural heritage?
The greatest cultural value in Nesfish is Nesfish Castle. Since the 16th century, it has been the residence of the Radziwiłł Castle. It is a UNESCO World Heritage List. Not far from Nesfish Castle, we can find a Mir Castle.
Thank you. What questions about Belarus do you expect to hear from a professor of history from the United Kingdom?
What do you know the Republic past? When did the Republic become an independent state?
Okay, thank you. What Belarusian festivals would you advise a foreigner to attend?
There are annual festivals held in Minsk. Belarusian musical autumn, Zolty Schlager, music Nesfish festivals, and the symbol of Belarus is Slavansky Bazaar in Vitebsk.
Okay. They say that Belarus is at the crossroads of Europe. Explain why.
Belarus is located at the crossroads of trade routes from the Eastern Europe to Russia and further east.
Okay, thank you, Katya. Christina, are you ready? Take a seat here. Please. Part number 10. What is the speaker talking about?
The speaker is talking about her first day at school.
When did the speaker feel relieved?
The speaker felt relieved when she had a friend.
Why did the speaker start crying?
The speaker started crying because she couldn't swim.
Okay, thank you, Christina. And Dasha? Task is reading the text, mobile phones. Say in 2-3 sentences what the text is about.
The text is about and features in modern mobile phone.
Okay, thank you. The first question is, the author explains why people need mobile phones nowadays. Find this extract and read it aloud, please.
From children to senior citizens, mobile phones have become a grace as a way of staying ahead with the technology. With our fast lifestyles, we have no time to meet all our relatives or friends and are left with the only option of talking over the phone. Here comes the need of mobile phones, which allow us to stay connected wherever we are and whenever we need to.
Thank you. What features can be found in modern mobile phones?
A great way of amusing yourself is by playing games on your mobile phone. If you want to store your precious moments, you can use its video recording feature. Mobile phones can become expression of who we are by getting mobile ringtones, wallpapers, which turn your phone into a unique device.
Thank you. The last question. Why are mobile phones a vital part of our life?
Mobile phones keep you connected around the clock.
Thank you. Take a seat. I'm afraid it's time to finish now. Thank you.